Lat stretch, lateral lunge, ring. If you're an adult gymnastics skill seeker with tight lats and poor overhead flexibility, you'll want to add this lateral lunge lat stretch into your program. The lateral lunge lat stretch can be performed in a standing or kneeling position. I find the kneeling variation gives me a much deeper stretch, but you should try both to see what works best for you. The setup for both the kneeling and standing variation is the same, and the only real difference is the height of the ring. Set the gymnastics ring to a height that allows you to perform a lateral lunge and keep the hips off the floor. Grip the ring with a neutral grip, palm facing inwards towards the head. When in the stretch, you want to externally rotate the shoulder, as this will increase the intensity of the stretch. When stretching the right side, you'll hold the ring with the right hand and step forward with the left foot. From a side view, the left foot will be slightly forward of the ring. Next, take the right foot behind the left foot and perform a lateral lunge. As you step to the side, straighten the arm and hang from the ring. It's best to keep the right leg as straight as possible, as this lengthens the right side of the body. Relax the right shoulder by allowing it to elevate. From here, flex the spine to increase the stretch on the lats. Focus on pulling the ribcage down to round the back. At the same time, push your head forward so your right ear is in front of your right arm. Continue to lengthen the right side of the body as much as possible. Contracting the left obliques as if performing a side crunch can be helpful. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds to 2 minutes and then repeat on the opposite side. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.